This is the reassembly video of the American 1100 lock that I picked for my green belt. All the driver pins have been serrated, except for number 5, which is a normal key pin. So there's 1 through 5 in the plug. We're going to move on to putting the springs in the core. Alright, I gotta get some painting tweezers. A little tricky to get in there, but not too bad. More so, the tweezers are giving me more of a problem. Let's flip her around. Alright, so I'm not sure if it's going to be able to tell. Yeah, you can see it there. All 5 of the springs are in. I'm going to grab our first pin, which was serrated. Put her in her place. I really need to get some better tools for this. A plug follower would definitely be nice. Bear with me, I'm sorry. I'll hold the first pin down with the tweezers. No, we're not. There we go, finally. grab the plug, hold tension on that first pin, and then we're going to push her down, hold her in place. All right, next one. Pin 2 is also serrated. Pin 3 was also serrated. Pin 4 serrated spool. Pin 5 serrated spool. Make sure we didn't drop any of the key pins. Advance the plug. And we are going to turn into the lock position and confirm key functionality. Here's the key. Key goes in. Cord turns 360. And that's that. So I'm going to put the C-clip back. Has a little notch there. Make sure it goes on the bottom. I found that out the hard way the first time I put one of these together. Just like that. There is the shielding for the back of the lock. Make sure that's in there. Well, actually, since now that the lock is in the lock position, we're going to put it on the core. This guy just goes right here. I'll put all assembly back in. Oh, make sure that doesn't fall out. All the way to the back like so. This goes on right here. This is the keeper for the gate. I gotta open the lock again because I just realized that I locked it by accident. I'll unlock it. Give you access to the screw hole at the bottom. That is your American 1100 back together. I'll do a function check really quick. Pins. That's it. It's my 1100 reassembly video for my green belt.